it's Easy Rider Greg. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Going out for a ride on the Road King today. We'll talk about looking for storm damage. There was a storm last night. Didn't seem to be much of anything right around here, but I don't know what's going to be farther out down on the road. Look for wet leaves, look for branches, you know, that kind of stuff. Got to go to the post office first. Mail some more stickers and spam cards out now that I finally got them. Give them to all the nice folks that gave me stickers and spam cards, even though I didn't have any. And anybody that wants them, let me know and I'll send you some. Well, I probably missed noon even if they were to have a noon one, which I can't understand why they wait all day to pick it up. I guess that's the one thing about living, another thing that you have to put up with when you live in a small town is you don't have as many postal service pickups. Won't be long before we get out on the highway. This is the highway, but I mean outside of town. I don't think anything really happened in town with that storm. Now we're out on the highway now. People watch out for storm debris. Could be anything. Could be mud, could be gravel, rocks, tree limbs, branches, leaves, other vegetation on the highway. You just never know. Could be water still flowing across the road. If there was a lot of rain, they said there was localized flooding. So far it looks pretty good. I don't know if I should go over here or not. I will. If it gets too bad, I can always turn around if there was damage over this area. Storm damage. I remember one time when I was living in Prescott, Arizona area, one morning after a storm, all along Willow Lake Road, all the power poles had been blown over. No lines were out on the road, but power poles were all laying down. Fortunately, they were far enough back so they weren't on the road. Well, we got a lot of debris on the road after storms there. Lots of mud, rocks, gravel, plant debris, tree branches. There's one road to Baghdad. It's down in the desert, a little bit west of Prescott, maybe northwest. Every time I'd go on that road during the monsoon season, even though I'd go on a day when it was beautiful weather, there would be lots of debris on the road. I don't know how they do it here because I haven't really been out enough to see it, but in Arizona they didn't build the roads to cross washes that flood. They didn't put bridges in or culverts. They just dipped the road down into them, put signs up, do not enter when flooded. Damn stupid way of doing things if you ask me. But there's a lot of dips here, like right here. There is a culvert that we're going over though. You know, and the same place is flooded every time we had a bad rainstorm. Every time. But they would not fix it. I would imagine it's probably the same here. You probably got the same areas that flood all the time and they don't do anything about it. Well, there's a hawk up there. I don't know if you can see it. Just going over that tall tree to the right. Now it's coming back over the road. Going off to the left, the tree to the left. Oh, there was a shadow right there along that hedge. I could see its shadow. Made it look like it was a huge bird. Well, it is a huge bird. Maybe it's not a hawk. Maybe it's an eagle. I don't know if they got condors here or not. Maybe it's an eagle. I don't know if they got condors here or not. There's some roadkill there. You really got to be careful here in these shaded areas because with the sunglasses on, you can't see that well what might be laying in there. At least I can't anymore. I used to be able to see fine. Not anymore. I need lots of light to see now. But I don't really see any storm debris, so I guess we managed to escape the bullet, dodge the bullet.